In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up the Morphy steam generator iron. Before using, remove any packaging from the sole plate. Then, unwind and straighten the power cable. To use the steam functions, first remove the water tank and lift the filling cap. Then, fill to the max line and refit the water tank. We recommend a mixture of 50% tap water and 50% distilled water. This helps to prevent excessive limescale buildup. To refill, simply disconnect the water tank and fill with more water. Plug the appliance into a main socket and press the on-off button. Next, turn the temperature dial for the garment being ironed. We recommend checking any laundry care labels for recommended temperatures to ensure the set temperature is suitable. The temperature light will show until the desired temperature is reached. Press and hold the iron release button to unlock the iron from base unit. You can then iron your garment. You can rest the iron on top of the base unit during use if necessary. To increase or decrease the steam level, press the left or right arrow buttons on the control panel. For a continuous flow of steam, press and hold the steam trigger. To use the steam boost function, press and release the steam boost button. This is useful for ironing tougher fabrics and removing stubborn creases. When you have finished ironing, press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds to turn it off. For more help and support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.